You can be in your 90s and still enjoy gardening if you take care of your body. And, if you have a little bit of good luck health-wise. So here are 5 ways to prevent muscle and joint pain when gardening. The important mindset to have is you want to avoid extending and straining to reach something, especially when you need to apply high levels of force. You avoid extending by instead moving closer to where you need to be. If you need to lift heavy objects or to pull out weeds, just do so as close to your stomach or your chest as possible. Now, since you want to always be close to the ground, you'll probably spend a lot of your time gardening on your knees. So it's a good idea to use gardening knee pads or an object called a kneeler to reduce knee joint pain. Another crucial tip is to take frequent breaks. Gardening can really be a physically demanding thing to do, and staying in the same position for long periods, that puts unnecessary strain on your joints and muscles. Set a timer and remind yourself to stretch or at least switch tasks every 30 minutes or so. This helps to avoid overuse injuries and it keeps your body feeling refreshed. When lifting objects such as bags of soil or pots, always remember to lift with your legs, not your back. So that means you bend your knees, you keep your back straight, and you hold the object close to your body, like I said before. This simple adjustment can save you from a ton of unnecessary back pain and injury. Additionally, invest in some ergonomic tools designed to reduce strain on your hands and wrists. Tools with padded handles and long grips, they can make tasks like digging, pruning, weeding way easier and way more comfortable. Finally, listen to your body. If something feels uncomfortable or painful, stop and adjust your technique. Pushing through the pain it's just never a good idea, and it can lead to long-term injuries. Gardening should be enjoyable, not a source of discomfort. By following these 5 tips, you can keep gardening a relaxing and fulfilling activity for years to come. Remember, taking care of your body is just as important as taking care of your garden. Maybe it's even more important. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Happy gardening. Now go out there and get your hands dirty. See you next time.